Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you live from our Atlanta headquarters. In today's installation on this Tesla Cybertruck, you're not going to miss this color, are you? Say hello to 3M Gloss Sunflower. This is an amazing yellow color. We've never wrapped a vehicle in this, but now that I look at it, first of all, 3M Gloss. This is a high gloss finish, so there's no orange peel. It's a really nice quality vinyl film. And then the color, it doesn't get any more vibrant than this. And honestly, when I look at this color, the contrast with the black, whether it's the trim, the tires, the windows, it really pops. Now this customer also got 3M window tint on here, so we've tinted the windows a little bit. We've installed the vinyl film. This is a really cheery, super cool Cybertruck. I can't wait to see this thing flying down the roads. Let us know what you think, comments below. Are you a fan of this color? Give me a thumbs up for the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned because we got a lot more Cybertrucks coming your way.